Hello, it's CreativeSarah here, and I'm super excited to play with this new transfer. This is our Jingle All the Way minis, and there are 12 different designs you will love to play with. Today we're gonna do a cute little Merry Christmas with some ornaments on a little cutout and our wooden mini tags. Check it out. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to get the wooden cutout wet, and I'm going to do a little base paint of our bright white chalk paste. Super easy. I'm gonna dry it, and then we'll get ready for some chalking. So the colors that I'm gonna use for our chalking are going to be our candy apple red. I think we'll do a little pesto, and then of course some shimmer gold. Actually, no, change that to black. We're gonna do black and candy apple red with our shimmer gold. So I'm just using our multi-tool to get that chalk paste spread over all the silkscreen parts. Once I have it all nice and smooth on there, I can move to the next color. I'm using a new tool for each time I go into a color, or you can just wash your tool in between. So this is just like a little squeegee that I'm using. Now I'm gonna peel my transfer up, and I need to dry the chalk paste. Once I have this chalk paste dried, I'm gonna go ahead and glue it onto my board. I'm using the 2-glue trick, where I've got a quick set, which is the hot glue, and I've got a long set, which is that Gorilla Glue. I press that on there, grab some cute ribbon, and I'm just gonna put the ribbon through the hole, and now I have this adorable wooden tag. You can use it on a gift, or you can put it in a tier tray, or on any little decor piece in your home. I hope you enjoyed this. Follow CreativeSarah for more ideas.